Okay.
Found it out by a tree at 721 Spring Street, apartment 4 step.
A bird's nest.
Nothing in it. The cats probably ate the egg or something did. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Or ate the bird. Well, it's raining. I gotta throw this in the trash.
Okay. Now a bird's gonna be homeless because of you.
Oh, I'm sorry. They can dig in the trash like Tony.
Huh. Shutting the door on you. Oh, not really. What in the world? Oh, your keys.
Yeah, it was just laying there.
Oh. Well, goodbye. I hope you're proud of yourself making a bird homeless.
Maybe it didn't like that home.
You're supposed to give it an eviction notice first.
Must have already got one.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Adios, Flokaduka.